1 tablespoon a day to burn belly fat and keep arteries clear. What if one simple morning habit, something that takes less than 30 seconds, could help shrink stubborn belly fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your arteries clear and healthy? No pills, no extreme diets, just 1 tablespoon a day. Stay to the end because I'll show you exactly what to mix, the specific amounts, when to take it, and the right way to do it for safe, lasting results. Welcome to Holistic Wholeness, where we share science-backed wellness routines that help you feel healthier, stronger, leaner, and more energized, naturally. If you're ready to take control of your health the smart way, tap subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. Please make sure to stay until the end. We saved the best for last so that you won't forget any important details. Now let's dive in. Why belly fat is so harmful. Belly fat isn't just a cosmetic problem. It's a toxic kind of fat called visceral fat. It surrounds your organs, releasing inflammatory chemicals that can block insulin, making fat loss almost impossible, and damage your arteries, leading to plaque buildup and poor circulation. That's why trimming belly fat isn't only about how you look, it's about protecting your heart and longevity. The 1 tablespoon solution, the secret weapon? Cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. High-quality olive oil is loaded with oleic acid and polyphenols, natural compounds that support fat burning, reduce inflammation, and protect your arteries from oxidation and stiffness. But to reap those benefits, you need the right combination of ingredients, timing, and daily consistency. Step 3. Exact ingredients you'll need. Here's the precise recipe for your belly fat burning and artery cleansing morning mix. 1 tablespoon, 15 ml, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, dark glass bottle, unrefined. 1/2 of a fresh lemon or 1 tablespoon, 15 ml, unsweetened lemon juice. Optional. 1 teaspoon, 5 ml, raw apple cider vinegar. Look for "with the mother" on the label. 1/2 cup, 4 ounces, 120 ml, filtered, room temperature water. Each component serves a unique purpose. Olive oil burns fat and supports arteries. Lemon alkalizes, provides vitamin C, and cleanses your liver. Apple cider vinegar helps control blood sugar and improve digestion. Water helps your body absorb and circulate these nutrients smoothly. Step 4. How to mix it. Grab a small glass. Pour in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Add your lemon juice or squeeze in half a lemon. Optional. Add 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Add 1/2 cup water. Stir gently until the mixture looks light and cloudy. That's it, your complete morning tonic. 5. Step 5. When and how to take it. Timing matters as much as ingredients. Take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast or coffee. Drink it slowly, not all at once. Give your body time to register the healthy fats and start up fat-burning enzymes. Wait about 20-30 minutes before eating anything. This short wait allows the olive oil to stimulate bile flow, activate your liver, and switch your body into fat burn mode for the rest of the day. If you're sensitive to fat, start with 1/2 tablespoon for the first few days, then move up to the full tablespoon once your body adjusts. Part 6. What to expect. Here's how your body usually responds. Days 1 to 7. Smoother digestion, fewer sugar cravings, and steadier energy. Weeks 2 through 4. Less bloating around your midsection, metabolism stabilizes. Weeks 5 through 6. Visible softness around the waist reduces, overall energy, skin clarity, and circulation improve. On the inside, inflammation decreases, arteries relax, and your heart starts working more efficiently. Part 7. Boost results. To supercharge this routine, make these simple daily adjustments. Cut refined carbs and sugars. They spike insulin and block fat burning. Add fiber-rich foods like greens, chia seeds, and flax seeds. They bind excess cholesterol. Move 30 minutes a day. Walking, cycling, or yoga is plenty. Stay hydrated, around 2 liters, around 8 cups of water daily. Sleep at least 7 hours. Poor sleep raises cortisol, your belly fat hormone. Every small habit multiplies the effect of that morning tablespoon. 8. Step number 8. The science check. Multiple studies confirm olive oil's power. The pre-dimed study in Spain found that daily olive oil use reduced cardiovascular risk by 30%. Harvard research showed replacing butter with olive oil cut mortality from heart disease by nearly 20%. People who follow olive oil-rich Mediterranean diets consistently display smaller waistlines and better insulin sensitivity. This isn't a fad, it's physiology supported by science. Step number 9. Safety and how to start? Start small and stay consistent. If you have gallbladder issues, fat digestion troubles, or take prescription medication, talk to your doctor first. Quality matters most. Always choose fresh, cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil stored in a dark bottle away from heat or sunlight. Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult your physician or qualified healthcare provider before changing your diet, starting supplements, or adopting new wellness practices, especially if you have medical conditions or take prescribed medication. Use the information here responsibly and at your own discretion. Quick recap: 1 TBSP olive oil plus 1/2 lemon plus 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, optional, plus 1/2 cup water. Stir well. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning. Wait 20-30 minutes before breakfast. Repeat daily for visible and internal results. If this step-by-step guide helped you, give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube this content matters and helps others find it. Subscribe to Holistic Wholeness for more simple, science-based ways to transform your health naturally. Stay consistent, stay curious, and keep creating your best health naturally. Want the next helpful video that builds on this? Check the description below. I've got the perfect link ready for you right now. Thank you for watching. Take care.